Right, we're gonna do some rebounding together. We don't have a trampoline, you don't need a rebounder. We're gonna use our bodies. And yes, I'm in a dress and I'm gonna do it with you because I need a little break from my desk, from my work. And this is just a good way to pump the lymphatic system, get the heart rate up, and just let your body sort of decompress from all the sitting or stress that you might be experiencing. So let's get going and we'll just see how it feels to move together. Try to have fun with it. Put some music on if you want. And I don't know if my music's loud enough for you to hear me, but if not, put your own on. So I'm just jumping lightly on the balls of my feet. And you can just be doing this the whole time too. And letting the shoulders relax. We're gonna just do it this way about 1 minute. Just play around and move around. There's no real structure to this. Take deep breaths from your diaphragm. And release all the tension out. Staying lightly on the balls of my feet. Kind of going between legs, like switching sides. And now we're gonna add our arms just to get a pump going. So you can just bring your arms overhead, bring them down, just do whatever. There's no like wrong or right way to do this. We're just thinking of a body, full body movement. We could do jumping jacks. If you're feeling tired right now, that's good. You can lessen the intensity if you want and just do more bending of the knees. So you see my feet now aren't leaving the ground, but I can just do this to take a little break and then go back to your bouncing when you're ready. I kind of think of it like just being happy in my body and kind of dancing around and being silly. Doesn't matter how you look. Don't worry about how you look. No one's watching. You're watching me, and look how silly I'm being. But no one's watching you. And even if they are, who cares? I like to get like a lot of twists going on in my body, so I'll do like this sometimes. Just to help the organs in my stomach, to help everything move around. Remember to let your shoulders drop. See, I'm kind of just letting them drop down like this. So shrugging up and then letting them drop down. We're almost at 3 minutes. Actually, it's been about 3 minutes because I didn't start recording right away. Toss your hands back to your back and over your head, and then swing them forward. Just get some nice motion in all of your body. Swinging your arms in circles. You could do bear hugs. Almost done. We'll do about 1 more minute of motion. Just move around, be light with your body, have fun. This is kind of like a playtime too. So just try to smile and have a good time, laugh at yourself. It's okay if you look like a weirdo. What do you think I look like? But you're releasing endorphins right now too, not only moving the lymphatic system, but releasing happy hormones. Helps with mindset, helps with perspective, elevates your mood. When you return back to whatever you were doing before this, you're gonna feel energized and happy, more clear-minded. Almost done. Okay, final few jumps. Get some crazy jumps and movements in there. All right. That was fun. I hope you feel great. See you soon.